What's up, y'all? We're back here on the Gunsmoke Jake channel, and as you can see, we have an AR episode. We're out here with Ivan again, and we have 3 ARs out. One is mine, 2 is Ivan's, and we're just gonna do some shooting, long-range shooting. We have some targets. I don't know, how long do you think that distance is? I don't know how long it is, but...
Like 50 yards?
Yeah, 50 yards or so. So, a little long range, we're just gonna have some fun in this video shooting ARs, and let's get to it.
Slow down, baby.
What do you think about 5 shots?
Yep. Okay, maybe a little higher. There we go. Did I hit that one?
No, I didn't hear it. Oh shit.
Nice.
Oh shit, I'm falling over. God damn. God damn. God, that shit's gassy.
Okay, that's low. That was high. I don't even know where that went. Oh, okay. Okay, I thought I got it, but... The last two were bullshit, and I think I hit.
Let's see if it cycles.
Nice.
It cycles! Let's go.
Look at this guy going commando. I'm not following him.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Fuck it. Let's go closer. All right. So we're gonna play a game of pig. So basically we're gonna shoot the target, and whoever gets 3 misses and gets PIG loses. And every time we hit the target successfully, we're gonna move back. So there's 3 distances that we're gonna move back, and let's see how we do. So we're gonna start, I guess, right here. I'll go on the left side of you. I'll go first. All right, we're gonna move back. P.
Hold on.
You're good. Oh no.
All right.
All right, you keep on going. Aye.
Damn.
It's double feeding?
Yeah. Pretty sure I'm hitting them, bro.
I don't hear the ding, but
Huh?
let's change it to horse. All right, you have HOR.
Hold on, hold on. What the fuck? Shit. Fuck me. Jesus Christ.
The last shot was low.
I think it's because I don't have my suppressor on here.
Mm. Nice. You got it. You already got it.
God damn it.
You hit it. All right, now this is the second distance, right here. Got him. Nice. Let's go right here. Fuck. Go for it. All right. So let's set, we're gonna reset it. So we both have P.
Alright.
Nice. PI.
Fuck.
Pig.
God damn it.
We are going to do the pig challenge again. Ivan now sighted in his rifle, corrected his shit, and now we're gonna rematch. So let's get it. This shit fucking... All right, I'm ready to go. Start off
I'll go first.
right here. Just to verify, if you miss, you keep on going until you hit the distance, and then you can only miss 3 times before you get pig and lose. Nice. All right, we both got the first one. Let's go. We're gonna make it harder. Right here. P. There we go. All right. Right here. Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Oh. So I have to beat you by not missing, or else we tie, or worse. Let's see. Ah! So we're at a tie. Let's go further. We're over here if you can see us. Oh shit. All right. And the undefeated, undisputed champion of the world.
That was very fun, Jake.
Yeah. I'm sorry I beat you again.
Shut up. Once upon a time, there was 2 happy friends shooting guns in the wilderness. When out came a bear.
Bear dead. So we thought the bear was dead, but now it's back up. No! What happened? I'm fucking killed by the bear. Why is it not firing? All right, retake. I don't know why I didn't do it. All right. The bear is still coming at me. That was slower, but shots on target. All right. You're still recording?
Yeah, I think I have 2 more rounds. Let's see.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
One more.
dang it.
All right, guys, we're done shooting the ARs. Hopefully you like this kind of content. Pretty much shot the main 3 together: pistols, shotguns, rifles.
Yeah.
So let's see what kind of topic we come across on the next video, guys. Thanks for tuning in on Gunsmoke Jake. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment on this video, and we'll catch you later. Peace. I had a lot left. All right.